Get ready for your concise, analytical breakdown of today's key crypto market developments. We're cutting through the noise to deliver the essential data and insights investors need. Bitcoin saw a modest rebound, climbing to approximately 106,672. This recovery follows recent dips, potentially influenced by geopolitical factors. Continued institutional interest, evidenced by significant spot ETF inflows last week, provides underlying support. A weaker US dollar also appears to be contributing to Bitcoin's current positioning. The asset maintains its stance above the critical 100K level, watched closely by analysts. Ethereum demonstrated notable strength, surging past the $2,600 mark. The price movement is strongly correlated with substantial capital inflows into ETH-focused investment products. Over $2 billion has flowed into these funds in the past 9 weeks alone. This sustained demand highlights growing investor confidence in the Ethereum ecosystem. Several altcoins experienced significant upward movement today. Solana jumped notably, while XRP saw a more modest gain. Uni also rallied after breaking through a key technical resistance level. This broad altcoin participation suggests increasing risk appetite among market participants. Investors are diversifying beyond the majors, seeking opportunities in other established projects. The overall crypto market capitalization edged higher, surpassing $332 trillion. Despite this growth and ongoing geopolitical uncertainties, the Fear and Greed Index remains in a neutral zone. This indicates a market that is neither excessively bullish nor bearish. Investors are navigating complex macro environments while selectively engaging with digital assets. In a significant corporate development, Tron is pursuing a US public listing via a reverse merger. This move involves injecting a substantial amount of tokens into the deal. The timing coincides with a reported pause in a US regulatory investigation. This development could offer a new pathway for crypto projects seeking access to US capital markets. Geopolitical tensions persist, yet markets are finding equilibrium. US-China trade dynamics continue to position crypto as a potential hedge asset. Meanwhile, regulatory clarity is emerging in other regions. The European Union's MiCA framework is progressing, with major platforms receiving licenses, signaling increasing institutional acceptance and operational certainty. Stay informed on these critical market dynamics and regulatory shifts. Understanding these factors is key to navigating the evolving digital asset landscape. Like, subscribe, and enable notifications for daily market intelligence.